We really need to think about our healthcare system and health coverage systems differently, I think, to try to keep as many Coloradans covered as we can.
A blunt warning for Coloradans about the impacts of the big, beautiful bill. For months, we've heard Democrats say the bill will cost millions of Americans their health insurance coverage.
And for months, Republicans have said only those who are cheating the system will be affected. And Denver 7 is finding the truth for you.
Our Brandon Richard explains why it's not that simple in Colorado and what could be done to keep Coloradans covered.
For President Trump and Republicans in Congress, the big beautiful bill is a big beautiful victory.
This is the most popular bill ever signed.
But not everyone is celebrating. Adam Fox with the Colorado Consumer Health Initiative is worried about the cuts the law makes to Medicaid.
Yes, I think we anticipate probably hundreds of thousands of Coloradans losing coverage.
Colorado, which like other states has already been spending more on Medicaid in recent years, will have to pick up even more of the cost under the new law, including overseeing new Medicaid work mandates, which will require more resources. The State Office of Planning and Budgeting, which evaluated the House version of the bill, says Colorado could see $500 million less in revenue each year and about $500 million in additional cost. The governor's office says it's still reviewing the impacts of this new law to evaluate next steps, including a potential special session.
I'm very worried for our state and for people.
State Representative Shannon Bird, the vice chair of the Joint Budget Committee, says special session or not, the state is in a bind.
A special session is possible. I will say, though, that in the absence of having the federal dollars come back to Colorado to pay for Medicaid and to pay for SNAP, our state is not in a position to fund these services.
For their part, Colorado House Republicans said Medicaid isn't being cut. The only people losing coverage are illegal immigrants and able-bodied adults who refuse to work.
That is, frankly, a really misleading argument.
Fox says it'll only be a matter of time before Coloradans feel the pain, unless lawmakers can somehow find a way to avoid those cuts, which at the moment seems impossible.
If we don't find some alternative approaches, it's going to mean cuts. There's no avoiding that.
In Denver, Brandon Richard, Denver 7.
Brandon will continue to closely cover the impact felt here in Colorado from the passage of the One Big Beautiful Bill Act in Washington. He'll also watch what happens at City Hall and the state capitol. So if you have a political story you'd like him to look into, you can connect with him by scanning the QR code on your screen or emailing him at brandon.richard@denver7.com.